Hey guys, this is Jack A. And hello guys, how we doing today again? So, nerf gun, see? So, today we are making an exploding nerf dart. Not exploding, but a poisonous nerf dart. So, I'm going to show you how. This is the original one with a flat sticky top. I like them, the original one, because they shoot good. So, hold on right there. Okay, we're back. So, I decided to use a dart tag nerf gun. And you can see this morning I've been already shooting it. So at the end, if you guys decide to make it, it should have started looking like this, but I was shooting it so much I got over Majestic and I started shooting it too much, so that one's trash now. But they won't be trash because you can wash them off if you have this type of dart right here and this type of paint, washable kid paint. So first, the materials are a pair of scissors, tape, one 3-inch piece of tape, and that's pretty much all on a nerf gun. So first we're going to start by taking our clear tape and getting a little bit off. So while I do that, take it and you just take it like this originally so it doesn't stick when I shoot it, and you just push it down and then push this side down like that and push this side down like that. Then after that you have it on there like that. You take it and push the sides together, and then you take these scissors and then you chop it off like this. If it would work, because majestically this is tape and it's getting stuck in the scissors, so it needs to be on there good and tight as you can get it, because then it won't work if you don't. I was shooting it this morning and it wasn't working that well because it wasn't as tight as it was supposed to be. And then you cut off these little corners right here because they'll give you more air, like so. And then you trim it as far down as you can, not all the way to the point where it won't even stick anymore, but about right there, and see in the corners. Next, we're going to take our white tape. We're going to do the same. No, we are going to cut it right down the middle of the 3-inch